welcome to my YouTube tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to change the memory and the hard drive for an Asus X540U laptop. What you need to do is turn the laptop on the other side. There's 10 screws that need to be removed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Please bear in mind these 2 screws here are larger than the other screws, so just bear that in mind. So once you remove the screws, you turn the laptop around, you open it up, and then you put your left finger here and your right finger here, and then you just unplug it all from here. As you can see, I've done it already, but unplug it all, and then here just unplug, unclip. You can use one of those spudger / pray, whatever they call that tool. Around here you definitely need it, so you just put it in between, and then this lifts up. Be careful once you unclipped it, be careful to slowly lift it up, because there's a ribbon here and it's connected to the motherboard. This ribbon, obviously it's already removed, but that ribbon, it comes from here, so you just got to unclip it. And there's one more here that belongs here, it's connected here, so you got to unclip that as well, and just remove it, remove both of them. So just to recap, one here and one there. Once you've taken the ribbon out, you can safely lift the keyboard palm rest, put it in a safe place. So this is the motherboard, and this is the hard drive. If you want to remove the hard drive and replace it with an SSD one day, very simple. One screw there, pull out, remove the caddy, put your SSD in, there you go. So to access the RAM, the memory, you've got to turn this motherboard on the other side. So look, there's a ribbon there, unclip that, pull that out as well, and that one as well. Remove all the screws here, all these screws. Can you see all these screws? It's all screwed into the motherboard. So once you removed all the screws, then you can turn the motherboard on the other side. I will show you now in a bit. As you can see, I've removed all the silver screws. There was one screw here that had the warranty sticker bit on. Just peel it off, and then you can unscrew that as well. Also, remove one screw from here that holds the Wi-Fi. So now it's flimsy. So yeah, also that's the battery here. So anyway, once you've removed all the screws, now you can just pull this out, lift it up, pull it out slowly, and then it will just come off from its USB slots here. Just be careful when you're lifting the motherboard up, because the battery is connected to the motherboard. So just lift it up very slowly and be extra careful. It's very fragile, you could damage this bit. So yeah, you don't need to remove this. This is for the this is the connector for the screen. You don't remove that actually. You don't need to. So look, anyway, this is it. This is the motherboard. I'm gonna flip this around now. Actually, do remove this Wi-Fi card. Remove this, just pull it out, remove this before you turn it over. There you go. One RAM bank empty. You can either upgrade to 8, 12 or 20. So there's 4 GB embedded into the motherboard, soldered onto the motherboard. You can potentially upgrade this to 20, one stick of 16 GB and the 4 embedded, so that's a total of 20. So it's totally up to you how you want to go about it. So I hope this video helps, and then just to put everything back to reassemble, it's vice versa. Just follow the steps again.